Online dating has been a go-to method of meeting romantic partners for years, but people in New York City seem to be abandoning the apps in exchange for a new dating scene: run clubs.
So I decided in late spring that I was just going to cleanse from the dating apps. I wasn't finding any success on it, and I've had a lot of fun and been meeting people in fun and unique ways like this club.
According to global ticketing platform Eventbrite, athletic dating events saw a 135% increase in attendance from 2022 to 2023 nationwide. One of the most popular gatherings for athletic people looking for love is Lunge Run Club, which meets Wednesday evenings at Washington Square Park in Manhattan. It even has a dress code to help its matchmaking mission.
So everybody owns black in New York. It's kind of like the New York uniform. So we made it all black if you're single. And then we wanted to just be open to everyone. So even people who are just looking to make friends, we wanted them to still be able to come, enjoy the run club. So we just said wear colors if you're taken.
Many of the Run Club attendees attributed their participation to dating app fatigue, an experience studied by dating experts.
I think there's some disenchantment with dating apps overall, of feeling like they're an option, but maybe not the best option. Whereas speed dating or something similar, an in-person meeting, a group maybe where there's similar interests, allows people to connect in person and have that initial conversation without the phone as an intermediary.
Steve Cole founded Lunge, a fitness-oriented dating app that inspired the Lunge Run Club. The club has grown from 30 participants for its first run earlier this year to over 1,200 people signing up for this latest meetup.
It's actually the largest singles event ever recorded in New York City, and we actually break that record every week as we continue to grow.
The run spans about 3 miles, with a shorter walking option, and ends at multiple bars for participants to choose from.
And then the big event is the #BeersAfter, which is where we all congregate at one bar and we just mingle. It's great.
Boston University's Caduto says meeting over common interests is an effective strategy.
I think there's longevity in connecting over shared interests, whether that's running, whether that's going to see live music, whether that's meeting up at a brewery.
According to Eventbrite, in-person dating activities in the United States saw a 42% increase in attendance from 2022 to 2023. June Chu, VOA News, New York.